Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I got my babe Rudy and we're gonna do a Snackcrate unboxing in a minute, so I'm excited. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, you wanna open it? Oh my god, from Ireland. I like the stickers that it comes with. Okay, so this one is from Ireland. Look how cute the wrapping is. It's, oh my gosh, I was gonna get so mad. I thought it was just that.
They sent us air. Should we smell it? Do you think it's Ireland air?
What? Why are you messing with me?
This is air cushioning, but wouldn't that be weird? Like,
yeah, I was really like, okay. I bet, are you gonna smell it for real?
Yeah,
okay.
Maybe it's Ireland air.
You're messing with me, right? No, it can't be Ireland air. It doesn't get shipped from there. Don't do that to me. But what is it? Like, what is it?
The Tato crab.
It's cheddar onion flavor. Mmm. They look like they've been like dipped in oil pretty good though. It tastes like onion chips. Like Funyun rings too though, huh?
Oh yeah.
Like onion and Funyun. Ha, that right.
They're hard.
Those were good. I like these ones.
They sent us some other chips. Are these Tato too? Tato.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Maybe
so they're both Tato.
Yeah.
Worcester sauce? Worcester sauce. I don't. You want to smell?
Oh, that smells like feet.
That was weird. That's a weird smell, huh?
That smells like feet. Does it taste good though?
I don't.
That's when I fight that. Like for real.
I thought it was gonna be like barbecue sauce. Like a little. I don't know what Worcester sauce is.
It has a good aftertaste, but the beginning is kind of weird.
It's like vinegar.
The vinegar chips, that's what it tastes like. Vinegar salt, good job.
Thank you. Point for me. You're good. I like these better than the onion ones.
Really? I like the other ones, it's better. Yeah, for sure.
Let's do this one because it says crazy.
Show it, what? Ooh, I like that. That reminds me of the talking orange.
Yeah.
Right?
Crazy fish. Whatever happened to talking orange? Is he still alive? Is he dead?
I don't know.
I'm gonna ask Lil Walk if they close or they travel. My avocado little.
Oh my god! I can't stand you.
That shit was hard as fuck. That hurt a little.
Can I do it or no?
No, yeah. Just don't really bite it.
See, it comes. It's a blue ball.
There are other colors. It's not just blue balls.
Oh my gosh, that is pretty hard.
Is it gum?
I think so.
Bubblicious cola.
Ooh, that's sour. Once you get in it, like.
I don't really like it. I'm gonna try the brown one. I'm gonna put like a lot in my mouth.
I wish the picture has that because you really make. Okay. Makes your face go what? I probably got a lot of what going on right now.
This is hard.
So I think this would be something cool to give to kids. It says chew it, so they'll have fun.
That's gonna be a no for me, dog. Oh shit, that looks delicious.
I know. Next is the Dairy Milk Golden Crisp Bar. I'm excited.
Oh.
Peel me.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh my.
Oh.
Serious.
You dropped that much?
I got nervous, Rudy.
It's fucking delicious.
Not really good.
What I was saying is, like, ever since a baby and stuff, like, chocolate has been, like, my thing. Like, I've been, like, chocolate, everything. Even donuts, chocolate donuts are fire.
Dang, that's really good. That's really, really good. You should put it in that pile of, like, really, really good stuff.
Dibs.
No.
I call dibs.
No.
Dibs.
Oh, that's really good, though.
It's a chocolate tea cake.
Oh, and I love that they come with stickers. It's so freaking cute. What are you doing?
What?
Those are my stickers. Hey, is this like a mooncake?
You dropped it on? Thumbnail right there on
I got crumbs in my crack. I don't know how that happened. You did not just take my sticker for that. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was really good.
Oh, what? You can call dibs on it. I didn't like it. You liked it?
Really?
Yeah.
I liked it. It was really good.
This looks like it's gonna be bomb. Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
Let's try. Galaxy.
The Carmel Collection.
Oh.
I like it.
Mmm.
Their chocolate's really good.
I like it. Dibs.
What the hell you're gonna call dibs on all the chocolate, baby?
Gotta be quicker than that.
I'm being for real. This is the Snack Sandwich Milk Chocolate Biscuit.
I already know I'm gonna like it.
He already putting the double over there on his side. You're tripping, baby. You're gonna share.
You can have the chips, because I love you. The chips have more, you know what I'm saying? So it's like...
I'm gonna have the wafer. You're gonna like it.
Oh, I love wafers.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, the chocolate's really, really good. I thought this box was really good. We're not even done yet.
They're mostly all this brand. Is that Cadbury?
Mm-hmm.
Cadbury's bomb.
I call dibs on this one.
Wow.
Back over to your
I mean,
side.
I guess I didn't call gifts. So
You didn't.
It's totally fair.
That's really good though. Huh?
You can have that too, because I love you.
This one is Rebels? Revels?
Revels?
Revels? Baby's cooking, so I'm pretty sure she's liking all the chocolate.
Tell the sugar high.
Oh, you're not gonna like it.
Really?
It tastes like coffee.
I like coffee.
No?
Coffee beans? I like coffee beans. Like the ones covered in chocolate? Yeah. Yeah.
Do you like it? I don't like it. You can call dibs.
Yeah. I'm telling you, anything chocolate, like
The baby got down. Next is a Star Bar. Oh, it's by that one company.
Oh, I'm gonna like it.
This one has a chewy cosmos of peanuts and caramel. How do you say caramel? You say caramel or caramel?
Caramel.
Caramel. Caramel. Is it caramel?
Caramel.
Caramel or caramel?
Caramel.
Or I'm like eating candy. You can probably have to burp me in a minute.
I got you.
Oh, go on, look in here. It's like the outside is a wafer. Right?
It fucked with me because like I thought it was gonna like there's nuts in it. I thought the nuts were gonna be outside, like like
the nut roll.
That's a delicious.
Really good.
That's a delicious surprise.
Like that.
This is a whisper. Right? You whisper.
Whisper. Yes. Chocolate bar.
I want to hear the Yin Yang Twins. Hey, how you doing, love?
It looks like Three Musketeers, a Milky Way.
Oh, this. It's way better than Three Musketeers or Milky Way. It's like, what is that? Chocolate, like fluffed chocolate, like what is that in there? Like,
yeah, that would be a good way to describe it.
Ooh, it's fair.
You actually see his side and then my side. Well, but what you call dibs on and what I call dibs on.
Oh, you gave me some of that.
Give you one. You salty about that one, huh? Because that one was good. Oat filled. So they sent like a couple of these. They threw these in there. I'm going to grab the kind of pink flavored one. Maybe it's going to taste like lemonade. Hopefully it's not sour.
Let's just share. Open another one.
Don't. Why you do that to me? Can you stop?
Go ahead.
Okay, ready? How does it taste?
Pretty good.
It tastes pretty good, huh? So I'm pretty sure these are gonna be. He loves putting me on the spot, but these are gonna be pretty good. So what do you think of the box? Were you impressed?
I love the chocolate. The chocolate is for bomb. I think it's good. It's firm. It's a very strong box. I think it'll last. Like.
No, Chase. I'm always fucking listening to you. Oh my gosh.
No, yeah, it definitely worked it. Like, it had a lot of stuff.
I feel like the box is definitely good. I liked it.
And it had a lot of chocolate, like.
Yeah, the chocolate was really. I would never guess that Ireland had really, really good chocolate.
I mean, the only thing that was a fail in it that was like, fuck, like no, was these ones. These ones were like, what is that?
Yeah, and they were like really, really hard.
Like, what is that? That's the only thing that was really like,
There's no snakes in Ireland.
Are you sure?
That's cool. That's a cool fact. Fun facts. I like how it has that. The booklet and stuff.
There are no snakes in Ireland, though?
That's weird. But that's kind of cool. Because I'm always scared of like us having
the neighbors, I know. Those motherfuckers look like shady as fuck.
I hope you guys enjoyed our, I don't know, I kind of had an accent there. Did you catch that? I hate that I do that. I hate that. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Snackcrate unboxing.
You want your candy back?
No, can you stop? Stop, Rudy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Snackcrate unboxing. If you guys did, please give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to check out Rudy's channel. I'll link it down below. We're gonna be doing another Snackcrate unboxing on his channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. You gonna say bye? You know something?
Yo, and then from my channel, I'll be like, hey, what's up? Oh, hi.
I won't be so mad.
Like full of energy.
Yeah. All right, give me your chocolates. There's all mine. This is mine. This is mine.